Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue if Yahoo Mail isn't sending you a verification code. Whether you're trying to log in or verify a new device, here are the steps to get things working again. Let's get started. Step 1. Sometimes the verification email gets filtered. Go to your spam or junk folder and see if Yahoo accidentally sent the code there. Step 2. Double check that the email or phone number you entered is correct. Even a small typo can prevent Yahoo from sending the code. Step 3. Sometimes there's just a delay. Wait a few minutes and click Resend Code. Don't keep spamming the request button. It could block further attempts temporarily. Step 4. If you've set custom email filters or blocked Yahoo addresses, the code may be getting filtered out. Head to Settings, then Filters and unblock any Yahoo-related addresses. Step 5. If the issue persists, try logging in using a different browser, or clear your browser's cache and cookies. This often solves glitches in the verification process. And that's how you fix Yahoo Mail not sending your verification code. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful tech fixes. See you next time!